It looks like fluffy head kitties. There we go. Look at those cute little things. They are so freaking adorable. And I am in a terrible position. Yes, you're adorable too, my little patchy puss. Oh, you are so cute. Two little gray tabbies and one little orange. Well, sort of orange, more like a cream. Oh, you are so cute. Right now, I believe their home is underneath my air conditioner. Which is that right there. Oh, they're so sweet. And I can't stand like this for very long. Okay, I'm going to have to stop. Whether I'm going to drop my phone, which is not a good idea. So, yay, team. Okay, bye-bye.